Hi friends, today we are going to draw and paint a living room. That's right, a gorgeous lounge starting with a sofa. We have to have one of those in our lounge, don't we? We're going to have a nice, long, cool, retro sofa in our lounge. Gorgeous! Next, let's have a picture on the wall. Maybe a painting or a photograph, what do you think? Finishing the frame off, there. A picture of mountains. Gorgeous. Let's do a couple of lights on the wall, one either side of the picture, I think. Lovely light shade there. Coming out of the wall. Now, what else will we have in our living room? I know, how about a plant? Bit of greenery always looks fantastic. How about two? One on either side of our sofa. We can do a wiggly-leaved plant in this one. Maybe you could even do some flowers. Yay, let's paint! Yellow first. We're going to do every other stripe of our wall lamp. And pink in the middle. Next we're going to do silver for the metal part. And red where it attaches to the wall. Let's do the other light exactly the same. Do you have these kind of lights coming out of your walls? Maybe you have a side table and a table lamp. Perhaps you have a pendant hanging from the ceiling. Right, we're going for purple next to do the frame of our lovely mountain picture. And blue for the sky because it's a gorgeous sunny day. Carefully going around the sun and our triangles which made our mountains. Done! Now we're going to do a yellow sun. Gorgeous green mountains because our mountains are covered in forest. Maybe you'd like to do snow-topped mountains. Maybe even a sunset. There. Green is going to stay on our brush for the plants. And a bit of gold for the rim of our pot and brown to finish it off. Let's do our sofa next. Red for the main part. Followed by turquoise for the seat cushions. Wow, I would love to have a sparkly red and turquoise sofa, wouldn't you? What colour shall we do the bottom part and the arms? How about yellow? That will look fantastic against the turquoise and the red. Maybe your sofa has some cushions on it too. Purple leg. And finally, our last plant will be green. Squiggly line, squiggly line. If you wanted to, you could do different shades of green, even on the same leaf to show some shadows. Gold for the pot rim. And brown for the rest. You could even do a pattern on the wallpaper if you wanted. Ta-da! There! A gorgeous living room. Lovely.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!